In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top of it. Select split screen from the pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To scale your apps, hold this line in the middle and drag it. To go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe both, or use the same line to drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!